In the learning phase, students practice managing the front desk of a hotel. Responding to long lines at the front desk and public feedback via Twitter-like social media, students begin learning about how to adjust front desk staffing levels to handle peak demand. Students also learn the impact of guest policies on customer satisfaction as well as social media feedback. By adjusting guest policies, students can see how customers respond positively or negatively to the new policies. In the challenge phase, students work as the front desk manager of the Copa Hotel in Boston. Their task is to fix staffing levels, improve guest policies, and make a specific profit goal by the end of the month. After studying the front desk calendar, students will need to adjust their front desk staffing levels to handle any peak arrival times and minimize negative guest feedback. Once the staffing levels are addressed, students will focus on and experiment with different guest policies that will achieve positive guest experiences as well as increased profits. For professors using the full curriculum with written content chapters, the optional concept overview and quiz covers front office functions and responsibilities, the front office challenge, front office management, measuring success, the front office as team quarterback, difficult requests and judgment calls, and key terms. The front desk is often the first interaction a hotel guest experiences. With this sim, students learn the many things that create a positive front desk experience. Valuable knowledge for hotel management students.